Hello guys, it's Sharon here. Welcome back to my channel. Actually guys, ayoko sanang mag-film ngayon. But then again, when I checked yung number ng subscribers ko, I was overwhelmed kasi nga naka 200 plus subscribers na ako. So I want to thank lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa channel ko. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And also, paki-push na din yung bell para every time na mag-upload ako ng new video, you will be notified. So, ang i-vlog ko ngayon, this one is a request from Ems Malolot, she's my sister-in-law, yung recipe ko for my chocolate chip cookies. So, without further ado, let's start na. So, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Yung measurements, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. So, before anything else, i-preheat muna natin yung oven. In a bowl, sip natin yung flour, salt, and baking soda. Then, after that, set aside muna natin to. In another bowl, lagay natin yung melted butter. This is the secret for having a chewy cookies. And then yung brown sugar, white sugar, and then mix lang natin siya until combined na siya. Yung egg na gagamitin natin is 1 egg and 1 yolk. Yung butter mixture natin kanina, i-mix lang natin yung egg and yung vanilla essence. Then, mix lang natin siya until fully combined na siya. Or until maging creamy siya. So, ayan guys, creamy na siya. Ilagay na natin yung dry ingredients natin. Mix lang natin siya with a wooden spoon kasi huwag na natin siyang gamitan ng beater kasi ayaw nating ma-overmix siya kasi titigas yung cookies. So, ayan guys, as you can see, fully mixed na yung mga ingredients. So, dapat maging ganyan ka-creamy na yung cookie batter nyo. So, ilagay na natin yung mga chocolates na chinap. Since wala kasi akong makitang chocolate chip cookies, so ang ginamit ko na lang itong white chocolate bar na chinap ko. So, pag na-mix na natin siya, scoop lang natin sa line sheet. And then, make sure pag nilagay nyo siya sa line sheet na may space siya. Kasi magi-spread siya. Ayan, so lagay na natin siya sa preheated oven natin. So ayan guys, as you could see, nag-spread na yung cookie batter. So, ayan guys, luto na yung cookies natin. So, ilipat lang natin siya sa rack. Hindi ko alam guys kung paano ko i-describe sa inyo kung gaano siya ka-chewy. So, I guess maghihiwa na lang ako ng isang cookie para makita nyo yung inside niya. So, that's how I made my chocolate chip cookies. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoy watching this, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button. And sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe, remind ko lang ulit kayo to please subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video, guys. Bye!